once this kicks in next week, then that's going to increase the cost to wholesalers, and those vehicles will end up in the showrooms within a matter of weeks, and those are going to be where we see the higher prices. We could see some of the existing models go up in price as well, simply because there'll be an increased demand to try to get those vehicles before the tariffs become a factor.
Analysts have said that the average cost of imported cars could jump by over $12,000. Yeah, ouch. And that may hit Arkansas harder than other states with its lower average income.
Arkansans spend more of their income on automobiles than other parts of the country. By making autos more expensive, that's going to put more of a damper on all spending across the board.
So is there any upside? The White House is counting on the tariffs to spur more automaker investment and production in the U.S. But how long will that take?
But of course it takes time to invest, build new facilities, retool existing facilities, shift production from one place to another. As long as there's still some uncertainty about whether these tariffs are going to persist, then some companies might be hesitant to make those long-term investment decisions.
And domestic automakers will be affected too. Many of the raw materials and parts in American cars are sourced and manufactured overseas, likely driving up costs for domestic cars as well. But fans of the Ford F-150, Arkansas's most popular vehicle, can take solace in the fact that Ford may be better prepared to weather the storm than others.
Ford is probably the best positioned. They produce nearly 80% of all their automobiles for the North American market in the United States.
In the meantime, for those of us in the market for a new car, should we make a beeline for the dealerships and try to beat price jumps before they arrive?
You know, I have heard some people giving advice that you ought to get to the showroom now before the tariff-impacted cars are on the floor, but you know, it's not clear how much you'd really be able to save at this point.